Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is chivalrous. It is pronounced Chiv-L-Rus and spelt Chivalrous. Think Shiv, Al, and then Rus. Chivalrous is an adjective that means to be brave, courteous, and polite, especially towards women. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone who is being honorable and respectful. For example, you could say, he opened the door ahead of everyone. It was a chivalrous gesture. Or, he was raised to be chivalrous and always treated ladies with respect. The word chivalrous comes from the Middle English word chivalrous, which means knights. It was originally used to describe the behavior of knights in medieval times. Now it's a word used to describe anyone whose behavior is polite and respectable, especially men towards women. In the movie Beauty and the Beast is chivalrous towards Belle, protecting her and treating her with respect. Gaston, on the other hand, is unkind and disrespectful towards Belle. This plays a part in why she falls in love with the Beast. Synonyms for chivalrous include gallant, courteous, and honourable. Antonyms for chivalrous are discourteous, impolite, and rude. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, chivalrous. Perhaps you could try to behave chivalrously today. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.